Hi everyone. Today we will talk about the characteristics of accounting. So there are two primary categories of characteristics for accounting. One is procedural, which is the process involved in recording the transactions. The other one is qualitative. Qualitatives are nothing but the attributes which are required to be followed for making the informed decision by the stakeholders. Now, what comes in procedural? So, procedure is basically a process which you follow to record any transaction and make the financial statements. So, for that, first is identification. So, only the events which are financial in nature and which has the financial implication would be recorded. Second, monetary measurement. Any transaction which has monetary impact would be recorded in the books of accounts. Systematic recording. So the transactions will be recorded chronologically in the journal ledger or the ledgers of the accounts. Classification. So in classification, various types of transactions, group of transactions will be classified and recorded in the journal ledger accordingly. For example, the assets, if you are buying computer, if you are buying plant and machinery, this would be categorized as an assets. Summarizing. Summarizing is you will summarize your transactions to make profit and loss account and balance sheet. Analyzing and interpretation. So your financial statement, you will analyze it, you will interpret it and present it. Communicating. Once you have completed the financial statement, making of financial statements, you will communicate the results to the stakeholders. These are prime procedural characteristics of accounting. Now coming to the qualitative attributes, qualitative characteristics of accounting. Reasonableness. First of all, reliability. The information being presented needs to be reliable. It has to be verifiable. If somebody wants to verify the information from third sources, they should be able to do it. It should be unbiased. Relevance. The information presented should be up to date. In a timely manner, the information needs to be provided. Understandability. Information which is being provided in the system of accounts, in the books of accounts, should be understandable to user. They should be able to understand that whatever you are providing, if you are saying the cash is this much, it means that business is owning the cash to the extent of, let's say, 100 million or whatever the balance is. Comparability. It is very important point. So the business information you are presenting has to be comparable between the periods. So that is why if you see the balance sheet, you will see the previous year accounts as well, so that you can compare how much you have progressed from the previous year to the current year. So it should be comparable, and not only with the your organization, it should be comparable with the other organizations' business statements as well. Faithful representations. The records which you are presenting are true to your knowledge and information. These are the primary basic characteristics of accounting. Thank you.